In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Android microphone volume too low during calls. So let's just get straight into the video. So there are a couple of ways you can go ahead and fix it. Let's talk about quick fixes and check first. So cleaning the microphone port. So gently removing dirt or dust from the microphone hole, usually at the bottom, using a wooden toothpick or soft brush is going to go ahead and help it. If that doesn't help it, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches or software glitches affecting the audio drivers. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and press the volume up button while in the call, and if that is not working, then simply go ahead and head into your settings, sounds and vibration, and make sure that call volume is completely high right over here. Now, the other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check for hardware problems. If you are having a hardware problem, it's most likely you should try using a wired headset or Bluetooth earphones to check if it is really a hardware problem. And in that case, just take it to your nearest store. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.